Alright folks, I'm on 6844, another bus I'm familiar with, and we're having a problem. The engine's been acting up, but that's not the worst part. Apparently, I've noticed this all ride since I got on a Union Turnpike, and the engine's making a weird hissing noise. And I'm getting worried that this engine could smoke at any minute. Listen. Yeah, it's making a weird hissing noise. Yeah, that's not normal. I've been on many of these old gens, and this is the first time I'm ever witnessing a bus make a weird hissing noise. And I'm at my normal bus stop right now, but I'm not getting off here because I have to take care of something at the shopping center, and I'm going to walk home later. Well, already another problem, trash. More trash over there. Let's zoom in. Yeah, we're turning on to 188th, but we're going to give it one more listen because, again, it seems with the bad maintenance practices, thanks to former Nice Bus employees coming to Queens Village, that the maintenance once again crumbles. I'm going to say this again. The old gens have to be off the road by next year. Because by this time next year, I see one old gen on the fleet. Which again, they at least promised us the next gens are going to be on the fleet next year. I'm not going to be too happy. I'm not. Already the engines, the brakes are squeaky. Yeah, I'm sorry if the lighting is getting in because it is getting close to sundown. Because I quickly want to mention that Friday night's supposed to be the shortest day of the year with sunlight going down at 4:30. That's what I don't like about daylight savings time right now. Thankfully, we do get there eventually. Now, once again, this engine is completely in untolerable shape. They need to send this bus to depot. I have to done with this run. Because there needs to be a supervisor at Queen Center Mall. Tell them, come on my bus. This is not right. I'm going to get off here because I'm afraid this bus is going to start to stall out any minute. I'd rather we just walk. And I'll give you an outside view of the bus. Because again, this is not normal. Get one last view of it from the outside and get a good listen. Yeah, the engine's not sounding good. I mean, listen to this. Set in the back. Once again, this is what you get with the Orion VII Old Gen. You get garbage. I also want to mention on the 46, another bus had problems. I forget the number at the moment, but you know, this is what you get with this depot. You get nonsense. I'm sick and tired of it. And I'm going to say this again. We need the next gens. I'm sorry for saying this, but the next gens are coming. We're not getting the XD40s anytime soon because they're being sent out to Manhattan to help with the M14 bustitution. I'm very annoyed about that. But once again, Queens Village makes terrible decisions to impact us. I know, I'm annoyed. I am very annoyed about that. I also want to show you our town's Christmas tree. I'm not really in this part of Fresh Meadows, but again, I have to take care of some business in the area before I do go home, which again, I'm going to walk home. I don't care how cold it is. I'm not taking another bus home. I'm not. After what happened with the Queens Village, I had to show you that again, this engine hissing. And another thing I want to show you, these cars, they don't yield to pedestrians. They don't yield to pedestrians. They're supposed to yield to pedestrians here. I'll show you this. See? Supposed to yield. Drivers aren't yielding. Thankfully, they yielded over there, but still, inconsiderate. There should be a traffic light here. Yeah, they should do is, they should put a traffic light here. Both circles. Polly Trappenberg, I'm calling you out right now. Get your ass over to Fresh Meadows and take a look at this circle. Because you claim that you care about Vision Zero, well, come over here. There should be another traffic light over here. Where do people want to go to Kohl's? They can't. Because they have to worry about someone. Again, you could do 40 easily on this road. Speed limit's 25. And again, you know, that's what you get. Almost went to the wrong place, so I'm gonna get going because I do have to, again, take care of business in the area. So, that being all said, thank you all for watching. Until the next one, take care.